Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy and delicious egg fried rice. Let's get started. In a pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add in 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Saute it for a minute and to this add in any vegetables of your choice. Today I have added carrots, frozen peas and corns. You can choose to add any vegetables like cabbages, onions, spring onions, etc. Now move this all aside to one side of the pan and add in 2 eggs. Now on high flame continue to scramble it. It would be done in about 2 minutes. Now mix everything well. Season it with some salt. I have added quarter teaspoon of MSG. Now mix it all well for a minute and add in the rice. I am adding 2 cups of day old rice. Continue to mix everything well on high flame. If there are any rice clumped together or sticking to each other, heat it with the other end of the spatula. Now add in a tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Now toss it or stir it vigorously until everything is mixed well. Once it's done, season it with some pepper powder and garnish it with some spring onions. This is one of the most easiest and fail-proof recipes. One cannot go wrong with fried rice. Give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comments. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.